Hey, I think I'm gonna need you to see this. This thing's kind of wobbly. So here's my camera. It's several years old. I think this came out like in 2011 or something, in T3i. You know, it's a fine camera. It's done well for what I've needed it to do. Only thing is there's no autofocus on this body, so no matter what lens you got, you can't focus on the fly. So if you're doing something like this, you're probably gonna be out of focus most of the time, or you're gonna have to set it and really stay in there. Like this. I mean, I guess I could do that. Keep it on the auto exposure too. It's not really seeming to work. But yeah, I was just outside snuggling some show. Snuggling some show, that makes sense. So I noticed this guy. It's a box from B&H. Got a new camera. Hey, so don't look at my address. That's kind of just common courtesy for these things, right? I've actually never done an unboxing. Why am I so overexposed, you guys? We're gonna deal with it. Maybe my editor can fix it. Okay, so here's what we went with. The 77D. Found it pretty cheap on B&H, just the body, because I had the lens, the wide angle lens that I bought not too long ago. And it comes with a nice little case. How very nice. So the main reason I want to upgrade this thing is, like I mentioned already, there's no autofocus on here. And it's just not really the best camera in general anyways, so, you know, well, I've always wanted to get an upgrade. Even when I bought that, I was like, you know, this is not what I wanted. This is not what I planned on getting, but it was on sale, and I didn't have a lot of money at the time, so that's what I went with. And it served me pretty fine, and I did not realize it didn't do autofocus until I got home and played with it, much to my dismay. So that made shooting Writer News, my school broadcast thing, a little more difficult than I'd like.
Good morning, Rough Riders!
Here we go, we've got the camera right there. And right off the bat, feels nice. It's a little bit bigger than you over here. You right there. Literature, could read this. This is like one of those pocket Bibles at a hotel, you know? That's how big that is. The nice Canon strap. I lost mine. A nice little charger. I wish it would have had the cable coming out of it like my old one, so it doesn't take up so much room on a power brick. That's fine. The battery. Let's hope she's charged up at least a little bit, you know? I kind of doubt it, honestly. You know what? Actually, I bet it'll be a little bit charged up. Why? Okay, it's driving me nuts. I'm sorry. This is why I always insisted on shooting this thing in manual, because, you know, just it works better, but then you change scenes and you're not lit properly anymore. There's like no happy medium for this camera, and that's just kind of where my creative block comes in, you know? Just, it's hard to work with sometimes. I'm sorry for doing this unboxing literally on the floor. Like, I just don't have a good table or anything. Just nice and clean set up for something I can do this on. I mean, I guess the counter, but like, you know, just wanted to get it done. So here's the thing though. Will it turn on? Like, is it charged? I'm gonna guess a little bit. No, nothing. All right, well, I'm gonna take a quick shower and then I guess we'll. All right, let's see if she's like at least a little bit charged up. Don't look at that. Let's just see if she'll turn on, shall we? There she is. There she is. Oh, make sure a lens is attached. Right. Looks like this is goodbye. I don't know if I'll be needing you anytime soon. And maybe I'll sell you. Maybe I'll keep you for backup or like a second camera. That might be smart. But you know, I think either way, it just looks like I won't be needing you anymore. At least not for now. Except I probably should have grabbed the lens first. Just so y'all know, this is my phone. Obviously I wouldn't do that to my camera, even my old one, especially with the lens on it. My phone, however, is twice as expensive as either of these cameras, but I know it can take a throw like that, so that's why I did it. Don't come after me, okay? But there she is. She's ready to go, although probably a very weak battery. I gotta set the time zone. I don't know the date, but I wish I would know the date. It's the 17th, isn't it? I really should know the. Oh God! Have you seen that? Sorry, don't mind the clutter back there. That's not. Oh. Let's just try to get it all out frame. You guys seen those videos? It was probably Casey Neistat video. Said these GorillaPods things will fall over. That's what just happened to me. So that might just be my life here pretty soon, because normally I don't have a big camera on my. It's normally the GoPro. Look at this. Now I look like a carrot. Or my phone. It's actually normally just a GoPro, which is even like lighter and lower profile than my phone, and I'm still overexposed. The time is, I don't know. I'm probably late for work. Wait, is it military time? Of course it is. Great. Here we go. There's no card in her, but oh, you can't even see any of that. But she's on. She's working, and she's gonna run out of battery. But you know, that's just how, you know, we're gonna have to do it. I have to leave anyways. Didn't turn the mic on. Why would I? Why would I turn the mic on? So, here she is. Can you tell a difference? Maybe not. But it's peace of mind for me, and just the excitement of getting something new and knowing that you know, I can actually focus while on the go is pretty big. I think it will make a big difference, and even if it's not the biggest difference, I hope it will kind of help me over my creative block I've had for the last couple years. And I mean, it really hasn't lasted that long. It's just kind of come in bursts, and you know, between those bursts, I mean, I've done other things, side projects. Either way, I'm just hoping that the focus on this thing and the other features as well will kind of give me the push I need. Wow, look at that shot. That was great. To make it over this mental hurdle, if you will. I don't know, just stuff like this gets me excited to create again. And looking back at my old stuff, I mean, those are really fun to make, one, and then two, I think they're kind of good. Yeah, it's been fun. I've never done a little bad unboxing before. Bad unboxing, that's a series already. Who does that? Is it iDubbbz? I don't know. Why don't you check the internet? Anyways, that's enough for me. I didn't eat, and I'm gonna be late. Woo! I'm getting chubby again. This is more flattering. See if I can see anything from down here. Yeah, that's not good. No good. I gotta go on a diet. 2020, going on a diet. Oh, but it's already almost February. You can't go on a diet and start late for 2020 New Year's resolution. Why do you guys hang out with me? Oh my god, I almost lost her. Holy crap, I haven't even freaking finished the video yet. And don't look at those. Don't look at those. Wouldn't that be tragic if I just dropped it on the floors just as soon as I took you out of the box? Just whoa. I need to get a new one. Okay, so I saw this thing. I saw this thing called the, oh crap. Oh crap, I forgot what it's called. Basically it's one of these, but it's metal and it folds. Peter McKinnon did a video on it, like a year or two ago when it was in Kickstarter, like, beta mode, but now they're releasing them, you know, whatever, for reals, and they look nice. They just, the fact that they don't flex, you know, and they just sit here flat, that's kind of not appealing to me, and the fact that I can't wrap it around a pole or something. But you know, realistically, when am I, or when have I done something like that? So great, new camera and she won't even focus on me, damn it. But yeah, I might have to return the GorillaPod that I ordered and get one of those, even though I forgot the name of it already. But either way, thank you guys for watching this whole thing, and I'll see you later.